हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल लर्न अपार्ट। मैं हूं निधि और आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं पाइथन के कुछ बेसिक प्रोग्राम्स। पिछली वीडियो में हम देख चुके हैं क्या क्या ऑपरेशंस हैं जो कि हम पाइथन में कर सकते हैं। टू टाइप्स ऑफ मोड्स आर देयर इन पाइथन। वन इज दैट इज आइडियली मोड। सो इन आइडियली मोड we can see the output of our commands right now at the same time. Suppose in earlier video we have done the addition, subtraction and the various things we have done. Suppose I have written 3 plus 5. So I have got the output here, that is 8. So this is called the ideally mode where we can't save our commands, we can't save our projects and we get the output at the same time. Here you are seeing that we have got the output at the same time. So the second type of mode, that is called the script mode. And how you can go to script mode, click on this new file. Then after going to this new file, this is open your script mode. Here you can just save your project. Here the save option is there. So आप यहाँ पे अपने प्रोजेक्ट को सेव कर सकते हैं स्क्रिप्ट मोड में और आप यहाँ पे अपने प्रोग्राम को राइट कर सकते हैं। तो पाइथन का सबसे पहले अगर आप स्क्रिप्ट मोड को ओपन करना चाहते हैं तो आप आइडियली मोड विंडो को ओपन करेंगे, देन यू क्लिक ऑन फाइल मेन्यू, देन सेव बटन। सो नाउ देयर आर सम फंक्शंस। सो हर एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस में कुछ फंक्शंस होते हैं जो कि फंक्शंस को हम कॉल करते हैं, उन्हें बुलाते हैं ताकि वो फंक्शंस कुछ एक पर्टिकुलर वर्क करता है, कुछ एक पर्टिकुलर उनको टास्क दिया जाता है that they have to perform. Suppose I have written here there is a function called print. So print यहाँ पे पाइथन में एक ऐसा फंक्शन है जो कि डिस्प्ले कर देता है एज इट इज जो कि यूजर अपनी स्क्रीन पे जो कि यूजर ने डबल कोट्स में लिखा है। ओके, सो हेयर आई हैव रिटन प्रिंट हेलो। सो लेट्स सेव दिस प्रोग्राम। सेव my first program. I can write here my first program. So I have saved this program. So whenever if you want to run this program, then click on run or you can press F5 key. Then run. So here you can see the output is there, that is hello. So the thing is that whatever the user has written in the print command, so print here is a function. Whenever the user call the print function, जब भी user print function को call करेगा तो वो हमें as it is वो डिस्प्ले कर देगा हमारी स्क्रीन पे जो कि डबल कोट्स में यूजर ने लिखा है। सो प्रिंट, नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस फंक्शन। नाउ अगेन अनदर फंक्शन इज देयर। सपोज देयर इज अनदर फंक्शन कॉल्ड input. Now this is an input function. Now what it will do, first of all we will save this function, yes, then we will run or press F5 key, yes. Now you just see enter your age is displayed. Suppose I have written here 45, then nothing is displayed, okay, because I have not written anything, yes. So here you can say input is a function, whatever the user enters the value, that value it is asked by the input function, yes. So we can say that input function takes the value from the user. From the user it just takes the value and execute the command. So यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे डबल कोट्स में लिखा हुआ है एंटर योर एज। तो जो भी आपने डबल कोट्स में यहाँ पे लिखा है वो आपकी स्क्रीन पे डिस्प्ले हो जाएगा। जैसा कि आपने अभी देखा, इफ आई रन दिस प्रोजेक्ट तो एंटर योर एज इज डिस्प्लेड एंड द यूजर विल राइट हिज एज हियर. So this is the role of the input function. It takes the value from the user, yes, and this value is taken by the user and then the value gets stored in the age variable. Here age is a variable which stores the value of age. So why it is called a variable? Because its value is continuously changing, that's why it is called a variable. Take another variable here. User will enter his name. So here मैंने यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है डबल कोट्स में एंटर योर नेम। तो स्क्रीन पे आपको क्या डिस्प्ले होगा, एंटर योर नेम, और इनपुट फंक्शन इज देयर, देन इट विल आस्क द यूजर टू एंटर द नेम, देन वॉट एवर द यूजर विल एंटर in the from the input function its name, that name will get stored in the name variable. Here it is a name variable. So here this is a print function. Print function will display as it is whatever the user has written on the screen. So name will display here whatever the user has entered here in the second line. So name will display, then your age is written in double quotes. So in double quotes whatever it is written, it is printed as it is. Then here the age will display. Age value will display. What is the function? You can look here when you will save this program. Then run. So the user will enter, suppose 12 age. Then user will enter his name. Yes, name is entered by the name. Then here I have written in print, here I have written name. Yes, so it has taken the value of this name from here, and your age is printed as it is because it is printed in the double quotes. And then 12 is the age, because here whatever the user, if I again run this function, you can say, so again if I'll add some different value, age now I have entered 10. Now in age variable what value will be stored? 10. Then I will enter here name. Suppose I have written, yes, now Nisha, your age is 10. So I hope now the concept of is input function, print function, they all are clear. Now this is the function. First you understand what is a variable. So variable are the memory references. Suppose I have written a is equal to 10. If I print here, print a. So if I will save this program and then run this program, what will it print? It will print the value 10. Yes, it is displayed. So a is a variable here, which is, and this is the assignment operator. I have already discussed in the previous video. This is the assignment operator. So here a is a variable which is storing the value 10, and print is a function which display as it is whatever the user has written in the double quotes. So now the user has not written in the double quotes here. So here the value will be displayed of the variable. Here what is the value of a? If I want to display a here, what should I do? Print. Here I will write double quotes. Here I will write a. If I will display here like this, what it will show here, you can see first 10 value is displayed because I have not applied double quotes here. First I have not applied double quotes. In the second statement I have applied the double quotes. So it will display as it is the value whatever the user has written. Yes. And in a this double quotes are not there. That's why its value will be displayed. I hope the concept is clear. Now, so in Python 3 data types are there. First is the int, second one is the float, and the third one is the string. So these 3 data types are there in Python. So what are the data types? These defines the values. What values they store? So integer, int, that stands for integer. So it stores the positive and the negative numbers. Yes, int stores positive and negative numbers. And what float stores? Float stores any fractional part, that is decimal number, that is 3.5, 2.5, 3.5. These are the decimal numbers. And string stores the characters written in single quotes. You can write the characters like this, written in single quotes, or the characters can be written in the double quotes. Yes, can be written in the double quote. This is a string. So now we will study some programs related to these data types. So these are called the data types. So this is called the comment sign. So here I am just writing a program to add 2 numbers. So this is a very simple program. Here this is a comment to add 2 numbers. So comments are not executed by the Python. These are just for the readability. It will just improve your what program I have made on which topic. Yes. So here I have taken a variable a. Here I have taken a variable b. Here input function is there. So here one more bracket will come. So here input function is there, which takes the first number from the user and then the int is there. Here again the input function is there, which takes the second number from the user and the value it. So the rule is that input function हमेशा आपको जो भी वैल्यू वो रिटर्न करता है, इनपुट फंक्शन वो हमेशा स्ट्रिंग फॉर्म में रिटर्न करता है। तो आपको इसीलिए उस नंबर को स्ट्रिंग फॉर्म से इंटीजर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, आपको उसे इंटीजर में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आपको उसका एडिशन करना है। ठीक है। सो हेयर आई हैव टेकन सम अ वेरिएबल एंड द वैल्यू गेट्स एडेड, दैट इज a plus b, and here I am displaying the sum value. So let's save the program, then run. So here it has asked enter first number that I have written in the input function. Suppose right here 67, then I'll press enter, then it is asking for the second number. So I have added here written 45. Now sum is equal to a plus b, and the value will be added and stored in some variable, then the value will be printed. So here is the addition of the program. Then subscribe our channel. Thank you.